Yes, good morning all. This is Sandeep Belekar from Charter Junior College, Shaupuri, Kolhapur. We are going to start a new chapter number first from the mathematics part 1, angle and its measurement. In this chapter, we are going to see what is the meaning of angle, what is the types of the angles, how angle will be measured, and how angles are related within the triangle, square, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon, and so on. These basic concepts we are going to see now. Before that, see, very first concept is called directed angle. What is the meaning of directed angle? See, dear student, I am drawing one point. Remember what is the meaning of angle or directed angle? Starting point of two rays are same, but ending point may be same or different. It may be same or different. Here I am going to give the name O. Here point will be A, here point will be B, and this angle, till 10th standard you have shown angle like this, but now angle can be shown with the help of directed arrow, and it will be theta. The angle is represented in the form of theta, and it is denoted as angle AOB, so that it is called directed angle, because they have given direction of the angle from starting from A, midpoint is nothing but middle point of these two angles, these 2 points is O, and then B, they have given direction, so that we can say it is the directed angle. Okay, now next note, dear student, see, then this is called starting arm or initial arm, and this I am going to shift like this, it is called final arm. It is called what? Final arm. And if you are measuring the angle in anticlockwise direction, what is the meaning of anticlockwise direction? The direction will be opposite of our second hand, means it will be opposite, so that it is what? Anticlockwise. And if angles are measured anticlockwise, take it positive. Anticlockwise angle, take it positive. This is our first note. And second note, these kinds of angle in clockwise, suppose this is name A, O, here is B, here is A, O, B, angle is measured in clockwise, then take that angle as negative angle, means angle are measured, angles are measured clockwise, Remember, anti-clockwise opposite angles like this, anti-clockwise angle positive, clockwise angle means in the direction of our clock, that angle will be negative. This is the very important concept of the angle. Please go through this concept. Okay dear student, next is the types of the angle. Very first type, zero angle. What is the meaning of zero angle? Initial arm OA and final arm OB are lies on same line and in the same direction. See this direction, both of the angles are in same direction and same on same line is called zero angle. So angle AOB is called zero angle. Second angle is one rotation angle. Initial ray is OA and if suppose I have rotated this like this whole all complete circle and I kept this OB like this. This is OA, rotated full rotation and keep here. Yes, it is OB. So one complete rotation is called one rotation angle, and that one rotation angle is what? Angle AOB is what? 360 degree. How much it is? 360 degree. Now third type, straight angle. See, this is initial arm OA. I have rotated it like this and hold kept here on opposite of OA. Then this total angle from AOB, this total angle is 180 degree and this is called straight angle. Okay, this will be called straight angle. Next, right angle. You all very well know that what is the meaning of right angle? Angle which is having a measure of 90 degree. Means this is your initial arm and this will be your final arm. Then this half 1/4 portion is called right angle and having measure of what? 90 degree. Next, fifth, angles in standard position. Remember, fifth type is very important. If, see this diagram, initial arm, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. If initial arm R lies on x-axis and final arm is anywhere, then that angle is called as angle in what? Standard position. Why? Because angle is measured from positive direction of x-axis. When the angle is measured from positive direction of x-axis, then that angle is called angle in standard position. Next, angles in quadrant. Remember there student, there are 4 quadrants in x and y axis. This is called first quadrant, this is called second quadrant, this is called third quadrant and this is called fourth quadrant. If angle is from 0 degree to 90 degree, then that angle is in first quadrant. If angle is from 90 to 180 degree, then this angle is in second quadrant. If angle is from 180 to 270, then this angle lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. And if angle lies in from 270 to back to pavilion again 360 degree, then this angle is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Please go through this dear all. Now see student, next type number 6, quadrantal angle. Angles which are presented with the help of axis only. Means see this angle, positive direction of x-axis, positive direction of y-axis. See second, this angle, positive direction of x-axis, negative direction of this axis. See this third angle, positive direction of x-axis, negative direction of y-axis. See this angle like this also, or this total angle also, positive x, negative y. Means like this shape, like this shape, like this shape, or like this shape also. Means these all shaped angles with the help of axis. If suppose you are going to represent, then that angles are called as quadrantal angle. Now as in the type number 5 I told you, angle between 0 to 90 first quadrant, 90 to 180 second, 180 to 270 third, 270 to 360 fourth. Now you will face one problem, that sir, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, these angle will be in which quadrant? These angle will be in either any of the quadrant, or best option to tell them that these angles what? Quadrantal angle. These angles are what? Quadrantal angle. Next concept, very important for JEE point of view, is called co-terminal angle. What it is called? Co-terminal angle. See dear student, I will give one example. There are two angles. These are co-terminal only if we will see when. Before that I will see one example. Suppose I am on x-axis. Okay. One bench is there at this OB position. Okay. Now what has happened? One student is there who are in that garden. Garden is circular and he stood on this x-axis, suppose. Now he wanted to walk. He started walking. He walked 40 degree. Now what has happened? He got tired. He saw one bench on OB. He sat on the bench. Okay. He sat. Now what happened? I went there. Yes. I also want to walk. So what I did? I have started walking from here. See, this is me. I have started walking. I came to the initial position because it is circular. Again, I saw this student who is sitting on the bench. So I have decided that will join to him. So I again started walking and I came here and I sat on that same bench. But before going on that bench, how much angle I have covered? See dear student, from here I have started. Till here I will finish 90 degree walk, till here 180 degree, till here 270 degree, till here back to pavilion 360 walk I have finished. After that 360 again 40 degree, means total walk I did is 400 degree. How much? 400 degree. Now what happened? One another student came in the garden. He also wanted to walk on the ground. So he started walking the way opposite to us. We walked in the anti-clockwise direction, so our angles are positive. So he started walking in the negative direction of opposite side of our angle. So see how he walked, like this clockwise, and he came here and he saw us. He saw us, we are sitting on the bench. He also came and sit on our bench. But before sitting, how much angle he has covered? See dear student, from here to here 90, but which 90? Minus 90. Why? Because of clockwise. From here to here again 90, means minus 180. From here to here again 90, means minus 270. Now this total is what? This total is 90. From that, this 40 portion went. He wanted to walk only this much portion. So this much portion is how much? 50. So 270 plus 50 means 320. But that angle will be measured as minus 320. Now see, dear student. One student walked 40 degree. I walked 400 degree. Another student walk in opposite direction minus 320 degree. Our initial arm was same. Our final arm was same. Initial arm, final arm was same. So it is called co-terminal angles. But measure of angles are different. One student cover 40 degree. I covered 400 degree. Another students cover minus 320 degree. Now, how to check? This is the diagrammatical representation, but always it is not possible to represent in the diagram. So, how to check these two angles in co-terminal angle, dear student? See, subtract smaller angle from greater one. Now, see the pair 440. Subtract smaller angle 40 from greater one. We will get 360. Now take the pair 40 and minus 320. Who is greater? 40 is greater because it is minus sign. So 40 में से हमें minus 320 सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. तो 40 डिग्री माइनस 320 डिग्री माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस. इसका भी एडिशन कितना आएगा? 360. अभी थर्ड पेयर बाकी है 400 and 320 का. सो 400 में से माइनस 320 को सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. 400 प्लस 320 मीन्स 720 डिग्री एंड 720 आई कैन राइट एज 2 into 360. अभी देखो दोनों का सब्सट्रैक्शन 1 into 360 आया. इन दोनों का सब्सट्रैक्शन 1 into 360 आया. इन दोनों का सब्सट्रैक्शन 2 into 360 आया. तो shall I say that angles are co-terminal if angles co-terminal है कब? If subtraction will be equal to integral multiple of 360. What is meaning of integral? Integral is nothing but integers multiple of 360. For example, 1 into 360. For example, 2 into 360. For example, 3 into 360 and so on. If our subtraction of these two angles will become 1 into 360, 2 into 360, 3 into 360 and so on, then we can say that these two angles are what? Co-terminal angles. These two angles are what? Co-terminal angles. This is the JEE concept. Please go through this, dear student. Okay, dear student, now next point is how to measure the angle, means measuration of angle. Very first type is sexagesimal system, means it is the degree system, means when the angles are measured in the form of degree is called degree system or sexagesimal system. So see, I can say angle AOB is equal to, this is theta degree. Angle is measured in what form? Degree. For example, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Second example, angle AOB is equal to minus 70 degree, means all the angles will be measured in degree. Now, one note is there, most important JEE note. What is that? 1 degree is called 60 minute, where I can say it is dash is nothing but minute. Dash is called what? Minute. not minute from watch, dear student. It is also how the way degree is there, same way angle is measured in also minute is there. So how it can be converted? 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Now as 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, 2 degree is equal to 2 into 60, 3 degree is equal to 3 into 60, 4 degree is equal to 4 into 60 minute, like that. Yes. Now suppose I want to write 1 minute is equal to, then what will happen? This 60 will come here. So 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 degree. Second, 1 minute is equal to again this double dash is called second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 60 second. So means suppose I can say how it's 2 minute. 2 minute is equal to 2 into 60 second. 3 minute is equal to 3 into 60 second. 4 minute is equal to 4 into 60 second, and so on. Now 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 minute. For example, dear student, we can say angle is equal to 37 degree, 32 minute, 48 second. Till now, till 10 standard, you have learned only till 37 degree. Now, next, if suppose angle is in point form, how to convert in minute and degree, that we are going to see. But right now, remember one thing, angles are measured in minute and degree also. Okay, please go through this.